Hi YouTube, Mike Beckett here, just walking home. It's been a really blustery day today, it's really windy. I was wanting to go out, but I had to go to Family Mart to photocopy my resident cards, and so my wife needs to confirm my identity while I'm away. She wanted me to photocopy it, so my Zyber card, so I did that. But even walking to Family Mart, which is only about 5 minutes away from my house, the wind was blowing me away. But at least it was a nice sunset, which I shall show you now. So I spent the day instead booking train tickets when I'm back in Britain to see my grandmother. Anyway, I'll leave you with that sunset. See ya. Bye.